what's up everyone? So, figured I'd do a little vlog style video right now, and I'll edit and post same day. We're gonna clean out the snake tank and everything, and I figured, I've had a couple people message me about the snake before, so yeah, we just got done feeding her. I should have vlogged all that, but we didn't. I might do that in another video. If you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments. I know this is more of a car channel, but trying to push content and stuff like that. And snake's part of the family, We've had her for what, 2 years almost? So she's gotten big, which is weird. This is Angel is terrified of bugs and snakes and pretty much anything that.
Walk this way, the light's like in the background.
Open that. I'll get front lighting.
Better, it's still clear though.
Yeah. Well, he's like terrified of like insects and bugs and stuff, but this is the only snake that I've ever seen him hold or is cool with. And our boy Justin used to have like 20-some snakes. Look at her. She's getting big.
Good girl.
So, yeah, starting to clean out her tank. Well, like her shed, she just shed it. So we're gonna clean that out. And my girl's gonna put in some water that we have over here. So we got some water in the sink. So let her just run her body in here, clean her up a little bit, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and grab her.
We're gonna take a small pause here for a second.
Nope. Come on. She just ate. She's fine. Stop being scared. Rena reaches in there and grabs her all the time. See that? She's a big girl. She's getting big. So yeah, she's gonna go ahead and put her in the sink. Some water for a little bit. Baby girl's waking up. She's waking up.
You think the water's gonna bother her?
I would slowly put her in there. I wouldn't just drop her.
I think she's 18.
Just slowly put her down.
It kind of freaks me out. I'm afraid like she might like jolt.
Put it where her face goes in first. Yeah, something like that.
No, I'm not. My promise about.
Giving a snake a bath. Move some of this stuff out of the way here so she won't try and come at it. Feel good down there, Mama?
Yeah, from what I heard, it's good to let them crawl around, or I guess slither around in water. Get them a little clean every now and again. I'm no snake expert, but that's what I've heard.
So she's gonna stay in here, watch her. We'll go ahead and clean up this tank real quick, and then we'll update you guys. She's waking up. Ruben's up too. I hear him in there kicking.
No, that was outside.
Here you go, princess. I did have gloves and I washed my hands before I touched the baby. Don't worry. So, yeah. How you doing, Mama? Feel good? You took a little bath?
She was very active in that bath too.
So, but got her tank cleaned out. Got her house back in there. We'll put our water in there with some fresh water. We'll go ahead and put her back in there. Right here. We'll go ahead and dump this water out. Let this water down. Clean this real quick. Get it nice cleaned up. Still scared? Chicken butt. So, alright, get that in here, like that. Get us a bottle of water that we used to feed her, or give her water with. And we'll go ahead and fill that up. Boom. Done. Now she's back. She's ready to go back in her home. Where are you going now?
Trying to call Mom
Oh,
so she
dale.
can see the snake.
Alright, y'all. She's back in there, all happy, clean tank, and everything. Some fresh water.
Scared the heck out of me. Her shed dropped.
Dun dun dun. Yeah, we got a bunch of her sheds up here though, from when we first got her all the way up until more recent ones. So, yep. Her light. Dun, dun, dun.
Okay. I think this is the one that we had trouble with.
But yeah, we'll get it all situated, and we'll show you how the tank is all lit up and everything with her in there. She is all back in her home. Close this, put in weird glare. There we go. How you doing, mamas? Hmm? Yeah, there's her tank setup. So, it's a 55 long, right? This tank? So,
4 feet long.
it's a,
5 gallon.
yeah.
4 feet long.
Yeah, it's a 55 gallon, 4 feet long tank. So, yeah. She was like probably half this size when we got her. So, she got big really quick. But she's a happy girl right now. She just had a bath. Tank is cleaned out. Fresh water. She just ate everything. So, she's happy. So, yeah, and I think Ruben just woke up. We'll see. He's quiet now. I'm gonna check the monitor, yeah. Ruben. Oh my goodness, so bright. You just wake up in your nap. You wanna come with Dad? Come on, buddy. Say hello, world. Say, I just woke up from a nap. Can Daddy get that? You don't need that. But yeah. You guys see the snake? Where's the snake? Come on. Ruben, where's the snake? Now that's Sissy. She's sleepy. Leave Sissy alone, baby. Ruben, you get Sissy kiss? You need that. You don't need that no more. Hey, where's the snake? You want a drink? Hey, you want a sip? Ruben, look, snake. Where's the snake? Is that your buddy right there? A snake? What is that? Is that the snake? His hair's getting so curly, guys. I love it. We just cleaned the snake's tank, gave it a bath and everything, Ruben. You want more? Say please. Good job. That's Sissy. No, you don't need that. That's for nap times. Yeah, that's your treat. But, no. He's a thirsty one. Let's move this out the way now. Well, she's getting cranky and everything, guys. I think this is a good stopping point for the video. So, she's all happy in there. Right? Drinking some water. Ruben's that snake? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog style video. Just want to show you the snake, because I know a few people's messaged me about the snake and we still had her and everything and stuff like that. So yeah, pretty much gave her a bath, cleaned out her tank, filled her up with some water and everything, stuff like that. But my daughter's crying, I'll go ahead and dress her. So hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it's a little different than what we normally do, but yeah, if you guys want to see more stuff like that, let me know down in the comments. And if you're not yet subbed to the channel, please sub to the channel. And I'm going to go ahead and grab my daughter. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.